thought I'd get a little, there we put up Christmas decorations. I'd get a little shot here. Come on! Good girl. Oh, we can go in. Okay, let me put you back in the, I'm gonna put Tinkerbell back in the motorhome. There's Xena. Well, your princess, our trusty steed. Tinkerbell, come on. Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, come on. Come on, Booba. Good girl. Good girl. All right, we're gonna check out this Little Pioneer Cemetery here, because we do have a way in. I didn't realize that. Oh wow. 1884 to 1944. Ada R. Clements, 1889 to 1978. Elmer R., 1879 to 1939. And it looks like there was one here, but it's no longer there. 1872 to 1950. Well, these people lived pretty long around here. Aw. Looks like Lawrence W. D. Armand, November 27th, 1915 to August 29th, 1939. So he didn't live very long. So it's 18. Oh, this is William J. de Armand, February 1872 to 1935. And then their mother is 1881 to 1975. Wow, she lived a long time, didn't she? Yep. That's military. He was a colonel, and James R. Russell, 14 Kansas Cavalry, oh, I can't never say that. Anyway, yeah. Let's see. We've got a, looks like we got a, was it a crypt or? Not sure. Oh. It's got something planted. 1891 to 1918. It's really kind of a cool one. I don't know if you guys can see that. The sun's shining on my screen. So I actually take pretty good care of the cemetery. Let's see. Pretty old, 1886 to 1952. 1882 to 1976. There's a lot of people who were born in the 1800s. This one here. South Dakota, 34th Division Infantry, 1937 he died. So it must have been in the Second World War, I suppose. We have a, looks like a crypt over here. says anything. Oh, here we go. This is Eugene M. Delk, 1855 to 1936. The Delk family donated the land to the Skull Valley Cemetery Association, February 26, 1921. Wow, that's cool. So much history in a cemetery. Ouch. A lot of stickers. I'm wearing sandals. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? That's nice. Very nice. And James Minato, 1891 to 1980, and Julia F. Minato, 1915 to 1998. They have that big family thing, and then they just have a rock for that one. I can't see any names on it. And this one over here I can't read, but this is Skull Valley Cemetery. Looks like I see one more interesting one that we should take a peek at. Oh, let's see. Oh.